What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the MOG coin on Coinbase. For the first step, you will need to have a Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, then definitely do it through the link in the description. If you sign up over there, then you will get a bonus of 10 euros in Bitcoin for free. Once you have created the account and logged into it, then you will arrive at this homepage. And once we are there, we will go to the search bar and type in MOG. And here you can see the MOG coin. We will select it. And once you are there, then you can see the token page. Now, for the next step, we need to fill in the amount of euros or dollars we want to spend on this coin. Let's say we would like to spend 1000 euros. Then you will get this amount of coins. And for the next step, we need to select our payment method over here. I would prefer the credit card payment method, but if you would like to add another payment method, you can do it over here with this button. Once you have added it, just select it and go back to the overview. And now we can review our order. Click on it. And as you can see, we are paying a transaction fee on this order. That is typical for Coinbase, but if you want to save this amount of transaction fees every time you make an order or place a trade, then you simply use the Coinbase One subscription. You can try it out for free for 7 days, and every time you place an order, you will save a transaction fee. Like for this order, it is already 38 euros. That is a lot of money, especially if you do this on a daily base or a weekly base. Then you can save yourself a lot of money by using this subscription. So once you have decided to buy this coin, just simply click on buy now, and these coins will be automatically added to the left side in my assets. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next video. Cheers, guys!